Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I am Anna, your teacher.
And I am Mark, your learner friend. Hello, everyone.
Today, we have a very fun lesson.
Yes, today we are going to the restaurant.
That's right. Today, we will learn English at the restaurant.
I am hungry already.
Me too. So, dear listener, imagine you are at a restaurant. You are sitting at a table. You have a menu in your hand.
The menu is the paper with food and drinks.
Yes, the menu shows food and drinks. Very good, Mark.
Thank you, Anna.
Today, we will learn how to enter a restaurant, ask for a table, order food, order drinks, ask for the bill.
Wow, that is a lot.
Yes, but don't worry. We will go slowly. We will use easy English. We will repeat many times.
Good. I like slow English.
Let's start. Part 1. Entering the restaurant. You walk into a restaurant. A worker comes to you. This person is called a waiter or a waitress.
Waiter for a man, waitress for a woman.
Yes, very good.
What does the waiter say?
The waiter says, "Hello, welcome."
Hello, welcome.
Now you repeat, dear listener. Hello, welcome. Good. What do I say? You can say, hello.
Just hello?
Yes, simple is good.
Okay. Hello.
Then the waiter asks, how many people?
How many people?
This means how many people are in your group.
Maybe I am alone.
Then you say, just one.
Just one.
Repeat, dear listener. Just one. Or maybe you are with a friend.
Then I say two people.
Yes, very good.
What if we are three?
Then you say, three people.
Easy.
Yes, very easy. Let's practice. I ask, how many people?
Two people.
Good. Again, how many people?
Three people.
Very good. Dear listener, now you answer. How many people? Good job. Part 2. Asking for a table. Now the waiter says, please follow me.
Please follow me.
This means, come with me.
Oh, okay.
The waiter shows you a table. You sit down.
I sit down.
The waiter gives you a menu.
Thank you.
Yes, very important. Always say, thank you.
Thank you.
Repeat, dear listener. Thank you. Good job. Now the waiter says, here is the menu.
Here is the menu.
You say,
Thank you.
perfect. Part 3. Reading the menu. Now you look at the menu.
I see burgers. I see pizza. I see salad.
Good. You can say, I would like a burger.
I would like a burger.
I would like is polite. It is nice.
I would like.
Repeat, dear listener. I would like a burger. Good job.
Can I say I want a burger?
Yes, you can, but I would like is more polite.
Oh, polite is better.
Yes, polite is better. Let's practice. I am the waiter. What would you like?
I would like a burger.
Very good. Again, what would you like?
I would like a pizza.
Excellent. Dear listener, your turn. What would you like? Good job. Dear listener, your turn. What would you like? Good job. Dear listener, your turn. What would you like? Good job. Part 5. Asking questions about food. Sometimes you have questions.
Yes,
Maybe I do not understand the menu.
You can say, "What is this?"
What is this?
Repeat, dear listener. What is this? Good.
What if I don't eat meat?
You can say, "I don't eat meat."
I don't eat meat.
Or you can ask, "Is this vegetarian?"
Is this vegetarian?
Very good. Repeat, dear listener. Is this vegetarian? Excellent. Part 6. After you order. You order your food. Now you wait.
I wait.
The waiter brings your food.
Brings means gives me the food.
Yes, very good. The waiter says, "Here you are."
Here you are.
You say,
Thank you.
"Perfect." Then you eat.
I eat my burger.
You can say, "This is delicious."
This is delicious.
Delicious means very good.
Delicious.
Repeat, dear listener. This is delicious. Very good.
What if I don't like it?
You can say, "I don't like this,"
I don't like this.
but say it politely.
Oh, yes, polite is better.
Yes, you can say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me.
Repeat, dear listener. Excuse me. Good. Then say, "I'm sorry, I don't like this."
I'm sorry, I don't like this.
Very good. Short review. Okay, Mark, let's review.
Review means we say it again.
Yes, we say it again. When you enter a restaurant, you say,
Hello.
when the waiter asks, "How many people?" you say,
2 people, or 3 people, or just 1.
"Good." When you order food, you say,
I would like a burger.
when you order a drink, you say,
I would like some water.
when you get your food, you say,
Thank you.
if the food is good, you say,
This is delicious.
excellent. Dear listener, you did a great job today. You learned many restaurant words.
Yes, now I am ready to go to a real restaurant.
Me too. In the next part, we will learn how to ask for the bill, pay the bill, talk about the price, make small talk in a restaurant.
Oh, that is important.
Yes, very important. Thank you for listening. Practice again. Speak slowly, speak clearly.
And don't be afraid.
See you in part 2.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.